In Germany in 2026, new workplace obligations are reshaping HR, labor law, and safety compliance, including the EU Pay Transparency Directive, which requires employers to disclose salary bands, provide transparency reporting, and strengthen fairness in pay. Less than one-third of companies report being ready, so HR leaders and managers must act now to stay compliant and avoid costly penalties. Whether you handle pay transparency or on-site health and safety, compliance means protecting your people and your business. Our course, Construction Site Safety and Accident Prevention, ArbSchGBaustellV, helps you master German workplace safety and HR compliance essentials. Empower your team, protect your business, and lead with confidence in 2026 and beyond. Join us and make compliance your competitive advantage.